Hello everyone and welcome once again. So as I promised that I'll be taking up the financial accounting lectures. So now we are starting with a new series of accounting. So we are starting with the financial accounting, and with that coming time I'm going to take up all the important topics like royalty, partnership, all those topics will be covered. So whatever doubts you are having, so now it's time to get them all clear off. So let's begin the first lecture of financial accounting, in which we are going to see the meaning, nature and objectives. Because starting with anything, you need to know what actually it is and what are the objectives or for studying particular subject. So let's begin without any delay. What is financial accounting? First of all, you need to know this is one of the most important thing or the topic that you need to know, because finances are the base or the foundation for any business or organization to grow, and the entire information or the financial position can be reflected only through by having a thorough knowledge of the financial accounting. So let's start with the topic. Okay, so the term accounting, unless otherwise specifically stated, always refers to financial accounting. Means when you're talking about accounts, it means it is related to financial or the finances only. So it's a financial accounting. Otherwise, whenever you heard about different types like management accounting, environment accounting, these are branches of accounting which have been used specifically for that particular branch or for that particular area. But this is an overall comprehensive statement which provides the actual position or reflects the actual position of the organization. It says it concerns with the revenues, expenses, assets and liabilities of a business house. Also, they have the twofold objective. It talks about the revenues, liabilities, expenditure, assets. All those important core areas are covered under the financial accounting. And it's stated that it has twofold objectives. The objectives are to know the profitability of the business, and the second is to know the financial position of the concern. What is the difference between profitability and financial position? When we talk about profitability means the revenue generating capacity of a business. The revenue generating capacity of a business means how much it can earn or it can get the revenue for the organization. And when we talk about financial position, it's the overall status of the organization inclusive of expenditure, revenues, assets and liabilities. This is the most profound and the easiest definition that we have been studying from the initial. This is given by American Institute of Certified Public Accountants, and it states that accounting is the art of recording, classifying and summarizing in a significant manner and in terms of money, transactions and events which are in part at least of a financial character, and interpreting the results thereof. Means it says that it is art of recording, classifying and summarizing and interpreting the results in everything which is related to financial perspective or which has a financial perspective. If it is not having a financial perspective, then it is not at all going to be considered as a part of this definition or as a part of financial accounting. This is the most popular definition that I guess each one of you must be knowing. Next comes the nature and scope. Financial accounting is a useful tool to manage and to external users such as shareholders, potential owners, creditors, customers, employees and government. It provides information regarding the results of its operation and the financial status of the business. What actually it says that the entire status of the business, because the people who are investing, the external owners like the shareholders who are investing into the company and the creditors who have lent the money to the organization, they are very much interested in knowing the position. They are very much interested in knowing that where their money is going, or it is going in the right direction, what profits the organization is generating. So this is a statement. Financial statement is the only document which helps them provide the exact and accurate information about the organization. The functional areas of financial accounting, if we talk about, so the very first thing, it deals with financial transaction. Any transaction which is related to money, cash, which has a financial perspective is a part of this accounting. Recording of information, recording of information means any information related to any sort of transaction. It can be on credit or any ways, that has to be recorded. Classification, it has to be classified accordingly, that which type of credit they have received from where, which source. Making summaries, then summarizing the entire statement. Suppose you have received cash from somewhere, and again after a gap of 2 months again you receive the same amount from the same creditor. So it has to be summarized. A proper format or structure should be there. Then analysis should be done, that what actually the organization is earning, how much more it requires to earn, and what more it can do. And then interpreting financial information. On the basis of this entire analysis, the financial position can be interpreted, that at what status it is right now, by making comparison with the previous year reports or other way around. Then communicating the results. This is the scope that we are studying, and once they have got the entire information, that what is the present status of the organization, the same thing is being communicated to the shareholders or other important parties of the who are involved in the business. Now coming to the main objectives. If we talk about the objectives of financial accounting, these can be summed up as follows. Finding out various balances. Various balances means what amount they have to pay. What are the suppose they have received amount from some other source. Now it is the responsibility that they have to pay off. Providing knowledge of transactions, providing every detail, every minutest detail about the transaction. Ascertaining net profit or loss. This is the whole purpose for which any organization came into existence. They want to earn profit, so that is ascertained only by having a thorough knowledge of the financial transactions. Depicting financial position, and once you know this is the profit or this is the loss, you can easily identify or depict the financial position. Providing information to all interested users, means all those who are connected to the organization, who are connected to the business. They need to have complete information about the organization. And lastly, fulfilling legal obligations, means any organization who have been working, it is the prime responsibility that it has to work accordingly as per the law. They have to work in accordance with the law, and every requirement should be fulfilled, be it regarding the payments or any other thing. It has to be followed as it was stated. So that's all for the first lecture. Just go through it, just hear it one more time, and then you can find out that what actually financial accounting is and what are the objectives. So financial accounting is the financial perspective of the organization. It provides information to the users, and it depicts the financial position and the profitability. In the next video, we are going to discuss the accounting standard. This is something very, very important. So stay tuned, keep learning, and in the coming videos, you are going to have all the practical portion or the practical part of royalty and all those topics which were a part of accounting. We are starting with financial accounting, and then we'll move with every other type of accounting. Any other suggestion, any other topic that you want me to take up before this, just let me know. I'll help you out. So that's all for the day from my side. I hope you all have a good time. Take care, keep learning. God bless you all. Thank you everyone.